Mina is an ad spy tool to help you find winning products instantly. Already on the dashboard, you're given 10 winning products. But what I like about Mina is the TikTok ad spy. Here you should filter by last 30 days, then select US. Then select Shopify, and then drag the likes up to a minimum of 10,000. And now just keep scrolling until you find something interesting. So I found this cupping therapy product, so we can click See TikTok ad. And there you can see the ad copy, and even download the ad. Down here you can see the engagement, target countries, and how long they've been running the product. If we go up again, you can see their other ads, and they've been running 3 different ads, and these 2 did really well. Then you can analyze their shop. Then you can see which platforms they're running ads on. Now they don't have any ads on Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, or Instagram. So this could have huge potential on those platforms, as well as TikTok, of course. If we go back and click See Product, you can see their product page, which is actually really good. Then copy the link and go to Shop Hunter and insert. Then you can see they did $4,000 in revenue in the last week alone. So this is definitely a winning product. Now back at Mina, there's not only TikTok Ad Spy, there's also Facebook, Pinterest, and even influencer marketing. It's a super impressive tool, and it took like 2 minutes to find a winning product.